yourself.
Hello, my name's Alan Dunn. I present to you BT, otherwise known as Tony Marchant, the woman pulling Lothario from Brierley Hill, the hard man of the terraces of the South Bank of Wolverhampton. This man is fearless. The ex-professional footballer, allegedly, who played for Walsall, who got sacked for shagging the chairman's daughter. Here he is giving it the big one on the setting, doing what he does best for 80% of the time, sleeping. The other 10% is spent not washing up, and the other 10% is spent doing what he calls his filthy habit, Tony time. But here he is anyway, check him out.
From his vantage point in hypnosis, have a complete overview of the first instrument. He pays close attention to the technique, particularly the use of text. In the days before